Hey, I'm Lara.
And I'm Ruth.
And welcome to the Write Your Future series. We're heading into the last section of our video tips now, which focuses on how to edit your work ready for submission to LLA.
Oh, please stop, I'm welling up.
As you can see, emotions are running high here at the LLA HQ.
Despite the fact that we have suspiciously not changed clothes or location for the past 6 videos.
I don't know what you're talking about, Ruth. What are you implying?
The magic of television. But that's enough of that. So you can check out our first videos in the links below.
Remember, say it with me now, our words are by no means gospel, but we hope that the tricks and advice that we provide will go some way into helping you with your writing.
So, without further ado, let's get started.
Tip number 1, write before you edit. Stay with me here. Editing's important, no doubt, but when you begin writing, it can be more of a hindrance than a help. Obviously, each writer's individual, and if you found something that works for you, then fantastic. However, take it from someone who takes approximately 4 working weeks to write a paragraph. It's almost always better to get that first draft out before editing. Spray it on the paper like a particularly articulate sneeze, and then once it's there, you can go back and fuss over commas, semicolons, whether you really needed that amusing but utterly arbitrary side character. I actually read one article that suggested writing the text in white, so you can't even see the words to edit.
Tip number 2, change the format. Now, I know this may sound ridiculous, but changing the physical style and format of your writing can help you. You get so used to looking at your work in a certain way that you're less likely to notice mistakes or things to improve upon. If you're writing in Word, convert it to PDF, move it to Google Docs, print it out, handwrite a section, change the whole damn thing into lime green Comic Sans, but please do not submit it in this format because we will not accept it as a submission.
Yeah.
But doing these things will help you see your work in a way that you haven't before and hopefully open up new possibilities for you. So with that, that's all we have time for, and hopefully we'll see you soon.